Let's go ahead and wire it up before we mount it. That'll make it easier for us. So the way we're going to do this, the way this works is that we are going to mount the wires from these motors into these two connectors. These connectors have a flat head, so you'll need a tiny flathead screwdriver like this to release these pins. And so if you look inside here, you can see that they're inside there, and then as we screw this down, the metal tab will be pushed down until it makes a good mechanical connection and strong connection with pressure on the wires. So that's how these connectors work. So we're going to loosen them so that the metal tab will go up by turning them counterclockwise. Okay, so now they're loose. Now the way this works is what's going to happen with the car is that one side will turn or the other side will turn, or both. But this motor is not going to turn any differently than this motor. So we're going to wire these two motors together to one side of the Hbridge. The way it shows in the diagram is that we take the red wire from these two motors, we hold them together, and we put them both inside this area. Okay? So the red wires go in this connector, and then we screw it down. Again, use half muscle on that, not super muscle. Don't want to strip the screw. And then we do a pull test. Make sure that each wire cannot come out. Okay, the black wires, or the negative side, now we put in the other screw hole. Make sure you get them in that hole. They should, I guess maybe it's easier to put one in first than the other. Okay, so there we go. Screw that down. Half muscle. Pull test. Okay, looks good. Now this side, the red wires go in this one. So there we go. Half muscle screw down. Pull test. Golden. Black wires. Black wire. Half muscle screw down. Pull test. Golden.